Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on bell icon to receive latest technology videos. If you have been programming for some time and looking to learn to program, then you might be thinking about what makes a good programmer. What a computer science graduate can do to prepare for a career in software development and programming. What are the things expected of a junior developer are some of the common questions raised. So in this video, I will share 10 things which I believe every programmer should know. This includes a programming language like C++ or Java, essential computer science concepts like data structures, algorithms, and computer network basics, essential tools like Git, Microsoft Word, and Excel, skills like SQL and Unix, editors like Eclipse or Visual Studio, text editors, for example, Sublime and Notepad++, etc. So here is the list of things which I personally believe every programmer should know, irrespective of the job he is doing. These are basic skills and will serve you for a long time. So let us see one by one. The first one is data structure and algorithm. If you want to become a programmer, then you must to know data structure and algorithms well. There is no escape. This is one of the important topic of any programming job interview, and without you knowing basic data structures, for example, array, linked list, map, set, it is not possible to write a real world application. That's why every programmer should put serious effort to learn data structure and algorithm during their computer science course. The second one is source control. Source control is used to store code, and if you want to become a coder or software developer, you must know version control tools like Git and SVN. Thankfully, Git and GitHub have streamlined the market, and now more than 70% organization uses Git. Hence, you can get away by using learning Git. The third one, text editors. There is there is not a single day when I have not used a text editor while working as a programmer. It is one of the essential tools even for non-programmers and anyone who works with computers. I have mostly used Notepad on Windows and VL in Linux, but nowadays you have a lot of choices available in terms of advanced editors like Sublime and Notepad++, which provides IDE like functionalities. The fourth one, IDEs. The modern IDEs, for example, Eclipse or Visual Studio, is the single most important tool for any programmers. For C, C++, and C Sharp programmer, the choice is clear, the Visual Studio. And for Python developers, Jupyter Notebook is getting better and better every day. For Java programmers, there are three major IDEs to choose. For example, Eclipse, NetBeans, and IntelliJ. The fifth thing every programmer should know is database and SQL. SQL is a classic. It has been around for more than 30 years, and I think it will be around for another 30 years. Given it is expected from a programmer that he is familiar with essential database concepts like normalization and table design along with SQL. There are many databases, for example, Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, PostgreSQL, etc. But knowing just one is enough. The key point is that you should be familiar with the database. You should know how to insert, update, delete data, and write SQL queries to retrieve it. The sixth one is Unix or Linux. Like SQL, Unix also has withstood the test of time. It has also been around for more than 30 years, and I hope it will there for many more coming years. Since most of the time programmers have to work in Unix machine. The seventh one is Microsoft Excel. Excel is one of the king tool for programmers, software developers, project managers, traders, and business guys. It is much more than just a spreadsheet software. It provides many useful features and functions to perform sophisticated data analysis. I have used Excel to track progress, data analysis, data quality checks, and for project planning. The next thing should know programming language. As a programmer, you must know a programming language, for example, C++ or Java, or maybe Python or JavaScript. You can use whatever you want, but my personal suggestion is that you should at least know Java. The next one is networking basics. Today's world is interconnected world, and anywhere you go, you will find computer networks starting from home, where you are using Wi-Fi across many devices, to school, college, and offices, which uses local area network to the internet. Most of the application you will write will also not be standalone, but client server kind of application, where the request will go through the network to a server. Clients will access your application from anywhere in the world. The last one is scripting language. There are certainly some languages which is good for both OOP coding and scripting like Python, and that's why I ask you to learn it at least. But if you happen to learn C or C++ or Java, then you can't wipe out something as quickly as Python or Perl developer can do. So that's all about 10 things every programmer should know, or computer science graduates and people who aspire to become programmers can use this list to find out about things. For example, tools and skills to become a successful programmer. So thank you for visit. Have a nice day.